man. What's up?
Not much, man.
Cool.
Hey, Mr. Mardukas.
Hey, Bobby boy, how you doing?
I'm doing great, Mr. Mardukas. How are you and the missus doing?
Like 69er doggy style?
No, like, how's it going?
No, I'm fine, but she's not.
I don't get it.
'Cause I caught her ass stealing pot pies and a pound of salt.
Oh.
'Cause that bitch knows I love pot pies, and she would have loaded them things down with salt, and she would have got me a goddamn heart attack.
Dad, stop it. That's enough. We're gonna go to my room. Let's go.
Okay, boys, dinner's at 5, and Bobby, make yourself feel like you're at a hotel.
Don't you mean home, Mr. Mardukas?
No?
Yeah! Dude, you won!
I did?
Hell yeah! Man, this is dumb. Let's do something else more fun and interesting. I know, but like what? Like looking dirty pictures on the internet!
Shh! My dad is in the other room, you cock!
I'm sorry.
Good.
You, don't be such a dingling. He's in the other room.
Okay, let's do it.
Get a pair of those knockers. They're really nice. Yes.
Boys, what in the name of Oprah Winfrey's 6 fucking toes going on in here?
Dad, no, I swear to God, we were just looking at pictures of milk.
All we need is a box full of cookies.
Boys, I think it's time for the talk.
What do you mean?
I'm talking about the birds and the bees.
They're right outside. Those bees always try to sting me.
Yeah, and those goddamn birds always singing that shitty tune. Yeah, like this.
Shut the fuck up!
Mr. Mardukas, I've never seen you like this.
I'm talking about sex.
Sex?
Let me tell you about the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees, the moon up above, and a thing called love. Let me tell you about the stars in the sky.
Dad, stop it! I thought it was catchy. I still don't get it.
If I could sum it up any other way for you simple-minded fucks, it would be I stick my 8-inch genitalia inside your mother's whispering eye.
Mine's only 4 inches. Mine is too. Holy crap.
And boom, bada bing, bada boom, dynamite. There goes my baby batter into your mama's oven. 9 months later, that cake is baked, and you motherfucker just popped out. That is how baby making works.
Dad?
Yes, baby batter?
Dad? I think I just creamed my jeans.
Good night, you little scamps. Hey, don't be silly. Wrap your willy. Bye-bye.